Dialogue 1. Introduction and greeting.
Hello, I am Nancy, the interviewer.
Nice to meet you, I am Jane.
Thank you for coming today, Jane.
Thank you for having me, Nancy.
What position are you applying for?
I am applying for the accountant position.
I see. How did you hear about it?
I saw it on your website.
Great. Do you have your resume?
Yes, I do. Here it is.
Thank you. Let me see it.
You are welcome. Take your time.
Okay. I have some questions for you.
Sure. I am ready to answer. Dialogue 2. Discussing previous experience.
So, tell me about yourself, Jane.
I am a certified public accountant.
How long have you been one?
I have been one for 5 years.
Where did you work before this?
I worked at ANZ, a multinational company.
What were your main responsibilities there?
I handled financial reports and audits.
How did you perform in those tasks?
I performed well and received praises.
Can you give me an example?
Sure. I improved the reporting accuracy by 10%.
That's impressive. How did you do that?
I used advanced software and techniques.
I see. You have good skills then.
Thank you. I appreciate your compliment. Dialogue 3. Handling challenges.
Accounting can be a challenging job.
Yes, it can. But I enjoy it.
How do you cope with stress?
I cope with stress by meditating.
Meditating? That's interesting. How often?
I meditate every morning and evening.
Does it help you focus better?
Yes, it does. It calms my mind.
What about when you face problems?
I face problems with a positive attitude.
Can you give me an example?
Sure. Once I had to fix a huge error in the financial statement.
How did you fix it?
I worked overtime and collaborated with my team.
Did you manage to fix it on time?
Yes, we did. And we learned from it. Dialogue 4. Skills and qualifications.
You have impressive experience, Jane.
Thank you, Nancy. I worked hard.
What skills do you have?
I have many skills, such as
Such as what? Please elaborate.
Excel, QuickBooks, and SAP.
Those are useful software for accounting.
Yes, they are. I use them daily.
How proficient are you in them?
I am very proficient in them.
Do you have any certificates?
Yes, I have the CPA certificate.
That's great. How did you get it?
I got it by passing the exam.
How long did it take you?
It took me 6 months of preparation. Dialogue 5. Company knowledge.
Let's talk about our company, Jane.
Sure, Nancy. I am interested.
What do you know about us?
You are GE, a leading manufacturer of electronic devices.
That's correct. What else?
You have been in business since 1889.
Yes, we have. And we have grown a lot since then.
I know. You have over 10,000 employees worldwide.
You are well informed, Jane.
Thank you, Nancy. I did my research.
Why do you want to work for us?
I want to work for you because
Because what? Please explain.
I admire your vision, values, and products. Dialogue 6. Teamwork and collaboration.
Teamwork is very important for us.
I agree. Teamwork is essential.
How do you work in a team?
I work in a team by
What? Please give some examples.
communicating, cooperating, and contributing.
Those are good qualities for teamwork.
Thank you, Nancy. I appreciate that.
How do you handle conflicts in a team?
I handle conflicts in a team by
What? Please tell me more.
listening, understanding, and resolving.
That's a mature way to handle conflicts.
Thank you, Nancy. I try my best.
Do you have any questions for me?
Yes, I do. How is the team culture here? Dialogue 7. Handling pressure.
Accounting can be a stressful job.
Yes, it can. But I manage it.
How do you manage it, Jane?
I manage it by prioritizing, planning, and executing.
Can you elaborate on those, please?
Sure, Nancy. I will explain them.
How do you prioritize your tasks?
I prioritize my tasks by importance, urgency, and complexity.
How do you plan your work?
I plan my work by setting goals, allocating resources, and monitoring progress.
How do you execute your tasks?
I execute my tasks by following standards, meeting deadlines, and delivering quality.
You seem to have a good system.
Thank you, Nancy. I developed it over time.
How do you handle feedback and criticism?
I handle feedback and criticism by listening, learning, and improving. Dialogue 8. Questions for the interviewer. I have some questions for you.
Sure, Jane. What are they?
What are the main challenges for this position?
The main challenges are keeping up with the latest accounting standards, dealing with complex transactions, and ensuring compliance with the tax laws.
How do you support your accountants to overcome those challenges?
We support our accountants by providing them with regular training, giving them access to the best software, and offering them guidance and feedback.
That sounds good. What are the opportunities for growth for this position?
The opportunities for growth are taking on more responsibilities, leading a team of accountants, and advancing to a senior role.
How do you measure the performance of your accountants?
We measure the performance of our accountants by setting SMART goals, reviewing their work quality, and evaluating their customer satisfaction.
What are the next steps in the hiring process?
The next steps are conducting a background check, verifying your references, and making you an offer.
How long will it take to hear back from you?
It will take about a week to hear back from us.
Thank you for your time and information, Nancy.
You are welcome, Jane. Thank you for your interest and enthusiasm.
Dialogue 9. Future goals.
What are your future goals, Jane?
My future goals are personal and professional.
Can you tell me about them?
Sure, Nancy. I will share them.
What are your personal goals?
My personal goals are to travel, to learn, and to volunteer.
Why do you want to do those?
I want to do those because.
Because what? Please continue.
Because I want to explore new places, acquire new skills, and give back to society.
Those are admirable personal goals, Jane.
Thank you, Nancy. I am passionate about them.
What are your professional goals?
My professional goals are to excel, to innovate, and to lead.
How do you plan to achieve those?
I plan to achieve those by working hard, thinking creatively, and inspiring others.
Those are impressive professional goals, Jane.
Thank you, Nancy. I am ambitious about them. Dialogue 10. Closing the interview.
Well, Jane, this concludes our interview.
Thank you, Nancy, for this opportunity.
You are welcome, Jane. You did well.
Thank you, Nancy. You are very kind.
Do you have anything else to say?
Yes, I do. I have something.
What is it? Please tell me.
I want to say that I am very interested in working for your company.
Why are you very interested, Jane?
I am very interested because I think your company is a great fit for me.
How so, Jane? Please explain.
I think your company is a great fit for me because I share your vision, values, and passion.
I am glad to hear that, Jane.
Thank you, Nancy. I hope to hear from you soon.
You will, Jane. Have a nice day.
You too, Nancy. Goodbye.